everyone, this is Joanne. I'm your teacher for studying Korean from today, okay? I'm very happy to, you study Korean and nice to meet you all, everyone, over the screen over there. Okay, so first of all, if you are studying Korean just really first time, today's class is very helpful for you because today we're going to study about practice actually, the pronunciation about the Korean letter. If it's really your first time, maybe Korean letter, it looks like very alien letter or language, so make you easy to study, for read and speaking and writing, everything, okay? All right, this is the list for from today to until 16th lessons. Today we're going to study about pronunciation, the sounds. Okay, ready to start? Good. In Korean, there's a basic consonant is, look at here, it's 14 basic consonant. Okay, so I write down the English sound together. Okay, 그, 느, 드, 르, 무, 브, 스, actually 으, 드, 치, 크, 트, 프, 흐. So it's not the exactly same with English and the Korean. So I just put the similar sound. Okay, not so you don't need to speak out ch 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 ch. Okay, good. Also, this letter has all the name kia, nion, like that. But I think it makes you confused, so I just let you know with the sound. 그, 느, 드, like that. So you have to practice together with me. That's what you can, read the letter first. That's the most, first thing, for studying new language. You can read. If you cannot read, you cannot, speak, writing. So I think the reading is most basic thing for learning new language. Here we go. 그, 느, 드, 르, 무. Good. Next. 브, 스, 으, 즈, 치. Next. 크, 트, 프, 흐. So these are basic consonant. So what do we need to make one letter? A vowel, right? So it's a short vowel. Short vowel? Yeah. A, ya, o, ya, o. Yo, u, 유, 으, 이. This sound, I guess, a little bit difficult for you all because it's a very, unique vowel sound in only Korean have. Okay. Okay, good. Let's make the letter here. N and a together. N, a together. Na, na, na. M, u together. M, u, mu, mu, bu. So na, mu, na, mu. 나무 means tree. Oh, you already make one Korean word. You make a word. 나무, 나무. Very good. So we can practice more. 브아, 드아, 바다, 바다. Baja means the ocean, one of my favorite to go there. Actually, I'm going to go see ocean, go to the beach for this holiday. We have, in Korea, we coming, big holiday coming, so I'm going to go to see the ocean. Good. Next, 그, 두, 구, 두, 구, 두. Do you know what is kudu? Kudu is one of the favorite thing for all the girls. The shoes. That's right, shoes. Next, 크오, 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 코, 코, 코. What's 코 in your face? 코. That's right, in your nose. 코. Okay? Very good. Next, 크어, 프이, 크어, 프이, 크어, 프이, 커피, 커피. Can you guess what copy? Copy is from the English to the word. It's a very similar sound, copy. It is coffee. That's right. One also really favorite thing for me, but I'm trying to not drink coffee a lot for one day. All right.